A managed service provider, or MSP, is an invaluable asset for any business that needs IT support. From managing backups and hardware maintenance to patching and security, an MSP has many advantages. In this video, we'll discuss 4 of the key benefits of using an MSP. Businesses of all sizes need to have reliable and secure IT infrastructure and services, and that's why many companies choose to work with a managed service provider. MSPs offer a wide range of benefits to their customers, so let's take a look at 4 of the key advantages. Number 1, cost savings. By outsourcing your IT needs to an MSP, you can realize cost savings in a number of areas. For instance, you won't have to hire and pay an in-house IT staff. This saves you money on payroll and employee benefits packages. It also simplifies internal management. Number 2, proactive support. A good MSP will be proactive in managing your IT needs. That means they'll monitor your systems, patch security holes, and manage backups before they become an issue. This can save you a lot of time and money by preventing downtime. Number 3, increased productivity and innovation. An MSP will handle all IT-related tasks, freeing up your team to focus on other things. Now your staff can focus on their core competencies. They can be more productive and innovative. Number 4, enhanced security. Proper IT management can help to protect your network from data breaches and other security incidents. Now you can be confident that your data is safe and secure. When it comes to IT support, an MSP can provide the cost savings, flexibility, and expertise that your business needs. For more information on how a managed service provider can benefit your business, give our team a call. We are happy to help.